That's very small keyboard. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how connect your phone to TV and make from your phone computer. So we use Samsung S9. This is a HDMI and you cannot connect it directly, so that's why you just need Type-C hub like this or other brand. Type-C to Multiport adapter. So it has HDMI, Type-C, and charging from your Type-C charger. At first we connect it. And charge it. Actually, you can at first time it's not necessary to charge, but if you will use it long time, so you need the charger. So you can charge. Then you connect your HDMI cable computer to TV and find channel. So how to become display on your TV? For this you need to install at first the app Dix Max from Samsung, this one, and it will be automatically display here. So at first you can use your phone as touchpad, and you can see here and here, yes, both. But you can also connect your mouse from the computer to this. So here is a mouse and you connect the same way, and look here, I use the mouse to open, for example, Netflix. Yes, it works. And also you can connect a keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard, like this. So friends, I tell you about how to have a computer if you are going to travel a long time and cannot to take big computer with you, just use TV on your hotel or somewhere. I actually have another video how to connect a keyboard. It's already connected. Just a second. Oh, it's connected now. Look. So you can watch other video. So now we are trying to tap. Look, that's very small keyboard. What? Doesn't matter. Something like. You can use now anything that you want. So friends, I hope my information was helpful for you. So you can just make from your smartphone, Samsung S9 or any other smartphone like this with Type-C computer, very small computer to you on your travel. Thank you for watching and see you in another videos.